What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in compass in Galaxy S24 FE. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display. Now in display, scroll down and tap on edge panels. Now first of all, turn on this on off button on the top, and after turning on this button, tap on panels. Now from here select the tools panel, and after selecting the tools panel, go back to your home screen. Now open the edge panel and open tools panel, and in tools panel, to use the built-in compass, first you have to calibrate. So I have already calibrated, so now I can use the compass by rotating my phone. So that's how you can use built-in compass in Galaxy S24 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.